If you've been locked out of your Facebook account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Go to the Facebook login page. Visit the Facebook login page and click on Forgotten Password. This will take you to the recovery options where you can start the process of resetting your credentials. Step 2. Enter your information. Input the email address or phone number associated with your account. Facebook will use this information to identify your account and send you recovery options. Step 3. Choose your recovery method. Select how you want to receive the reset code. You can choose to receive it via email or SMS depending on what you have access to. Click Continue to proceed. Step 4. Retrieve the code. Check your email or SMS for the code sent by Facebook. Enter this code in the provided field on the recovery page to verify your identity. Step 5. Set new credentials. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, then save your changes. You should now be able to log into your account. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your login credentials and regain access to your Facebook account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Facebook support for further assistance.